This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the image. Good. First, make sure it's a clear JPEG or PNG and saved where you can find it. Then open your browser and access Google Images. Click the camera icon to start a reverse image search. Choose Upload Image if the file is local, or Paste Image URL if it's hosted online. Use the highest resolution available so Google can match features accurately. Once uploaded, results will begin to populate with visually similar images and possible sources. Once results appear, you need to refine them. Look for exact matches first. Identical photos often link back to original pages. Then use tools to filter by size and time range. This helps spot older versus recent uses. If many generic matches appear, add keywords in the results search bar or try site, domain to limit to one website. You can also open candidate pages in new tabs and inspect file names, captions, and metadata for clues about origin or context. To finish, open the most promising pages and confirm the source by checking the author, date, and surrounding content for context. That explains why the image was used. If matches are weak, crop the photo to focus on unique features or try rotated/edited versions. Different crops can trigger different matches. Also use alternative reverse search engines and search social platforms to cross-verify. If nothing works, make sure the image isn't new or private. Limited availability is a common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.